Hey guys, here with STRAIGHTOUTOFCONTENT Content. Here to show you something pretty easy, but actually it was kind of difficult for me. I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't open this thing at the store. So this is how you open a foldable table. A specific foldable table. This one is made by COSCO, not Costco or whatever, like the store, but Costco. We got this at Lowe's. We got a steal, we got it for $47. They're usually 70 something, but they had this table in the $47 section over the $47 tag, so they had to honor the price. Bam. So, come closer. This has these joints. Sometimes there's a red lock on here. That red lock does not mean anything. Is there a lock on this side? Is there a lock? No, there's no lock. So that lock doesn't mean anything, actually. Yep, get the company. If yours comes with a lock, don't be scared. You can kind of back up about that. Don't be scared because that lock is not gonna stop you from opening it. So don't touch it. That lock is for when the table's fully open, extended like this. It's gonna keep it there. So don't touch that lock if you have one on your table. Okay? So this is how you open this table. Here. In there's a joint. Lift it up a little bit. There's a joint. There's something like this, and it's holding it like this, and we have to yank it apart. It's gonna feel like you're breaking it, but that's how you do it. I thought that I was gonna break it, but you gotta really try. You got me? 1, 2, 3. There you go. See? Come here, zoom in on this piece. See? This gets easier over time, but your first time pulling the table apart, that's it. So this right here was on here. So don't feel like that you're gonna break it. You're gonna yank it pretty hard. And then you're gonna hold it down gently. This table does come with a handle. So it wasn't extended, so they didn't let me extend it, but next time, but we won't be moving this table, we're actually gonna swap it with our futon. Pull out the legs, make sure you hit it, then slide the locking ring up. This will stay up once gravity comes. And now that'll stay up. That'll stay like that. That locking ring stays there. Pull this up, that locking ring stays there. Pull it on the side. See, if you want to close it, you need to pull this and then you're allowed to close it. Come in closer. Whenever you're ready, we're not going to close it now, but whenever you need to close it, there's a little trigger. You pull this and that releases the lock and then you can close it. When it's like this, it's locked. Pretty sturdy for what we're doing. We're putting you come closer, we're putting all of our merchandise. So we're gonna use this table for our merchandise creation, actually. We're gonna create our own merch. So we bought things like this Cricut machine. Go ahead and get a shot of that. This Cricut vinyl cutter machine. We got this, did we get this at the website or did we get this on Amazon? Amazon. Okay, we got this on Amazon. So we want to set up our whole merch creation table. We have the sublimation printer right there that we're going to use. And we have the press over there. So, yep. Yep, this table will be dedicated up against our wall. This table will be fully dedicated to making our merch. So that's how you unfold the table. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to STRAIGHTOUTOF Content. Follow us on Instagram and help us get to 100 followers. Please help us get to 100 followers. Thanks, guys.